Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Are you ready to start earning real money online? Look no further than affiliate marketing. As a beginner, the idea of making money online can be overwhelming. But with affiliate marketing, it's not only possible, it's easy. In this video, we'll show you step by step how to start earning money as an affiliate marketer, even if you have no experience. From finding the right products to promote to driving traffic to your affiliate links, we'll cover it all. So if you're ready to start earning real money online and take control of your financial future, keep watching. But before we go ahead, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards an affiliate for each customer brought about by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. In other words, as an affiliate marketer, you promote a product or service, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. There are many different products and services you can promote as an affiliate marketer, from physical products to digital products and even services. Some popular niches for affiliate marketing include health and wellness, personal development, travel, and technology. Some of the most popular affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, Commission Junction, and ClickBank. How to find the right products to promote. The key to success in affiliate marketing is finding the right products to promote. Start by identifying your target audience and their needs. What are they looking for? What problems are they trying to solve? Once you know your target audience, research different products that cater to their needs and compare their commissions, cookies duration, and overall performance. It's also important to only promote products that you believe in and would use yourself. You can research the product by reading reviews, trying the product, and get a sense of the customer service and support provided by the company. It's also a good idea to test the product before promoting it, so you can give an honest review and answer any questions your audience may have. Setting up your affiliate marketing website. Having a website is crucial for affiliate marketing because it gives you a platform to promote your products and build a following. You can set up a website using platforms like WordPress or Wix, or even create a simple blog on platforms like Blogspot. Once your website is set up, be sure to include an affiliate disclosure and disclaimer to be compliant with the laws. This is to inform your audience that you are using affiliate links and earning a commission from the sale. Driving traffic to your affiliate links. In order to make money with affiliate marketing, you need to drive traffic to your affiliate links. There are several ways to do this, including creating valuable content, blog posts, videos, infographics, etc., that showcases the products you're promoting and provides value to your audience. Using social media to promote your affiliate links. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest have a large audience and can drive targeted traffic to your website. Running paid advertising campaigns. Platforms like Google AdWords, Facebook, and Instagram ads can help you reach a larger audience and drive more traffic to your website. Building an email list and promoting affiliate products to your subscribers. Email marketing is still one of the most effective ways to reach and engage with your audience. Optimizing your conversions. Once you're driving traffic to your affiliate links, it's important to optimize your conversion rate. This means testing different elements of your website, such as the placement of your affiliate links, the language you use, and the design of your website. Use tools like Google Analytics to track your conversions and make data-driven decisions about what changes to make to your website. Optimize your website for mobile, as most of the traffic comes from mobile devices. Make sure your website is responsive and easy to navigate on mobile devices. Building a community and engaging with your audience can also help you scale your business. By creating a community of people who trust and follow your recommendations, you can increase your revenue by selling more products to a loyal audience. By following these tips, you can start making money with affiliate marketing even as a beginner. Remember, the key to success is finding the right products, driving targeted traffic to your website, and optimizing your conversions. With time and effort, you can build a profitable affiliate marketing business. Congratulations, you now have the knowledge to start earning money as an affiliate marketer. Remember, the key to success in affiliate marketing is consistency and patience. Keep working at it and the money will come. If you enjoyed today's video, then feel free to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and good luck on your affiliate marketing journey. If you want to learn more tips and tricks to increase your affiliate marketing game, then do press the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos.